Hello everybody, my name is Juan Esteban Lagos from Colombia Inside Out Video Vlogs. Actually, I am studying in Gimnasio Colombo Británico and I am in 9th grade. Today we are going to visit an awesome place characterized by its spectacular view and delicious food, which is Salto del Tequendama. Some little details I will give you from this place is that it is a natural waterfall and its location is in the department of Cundinamarca. I won't give you more due to the fact that I won't ruin you guys the surprise, so don't you worry, because during the entire video I will give you more, and also I will give you some facts that might interest you from this place. Also, at the end of this video I will include some photographs so you can appreciate them and also learn more from this place. I just take a look at Google Maps, and the distance we are going to travel from my house to Salto del Tequendama is of 42 kilometers approximately, and the time we are going to spend is of 1 hour and 40 minutes. We are going to take the south motorway, and this place is characterized to have a dense traffic, especially in these hours, but I hope that we arrive to Salto del Tequendama as fast as we can. We are going to appreciate some representative places of Bogota like Bosa, Soacha and Ciudad Bolívar. I also take a look at the weather channel. This aspect is very important when you are traveling, because if you are having a good weather conditions, you will enjoy this adventure. Thank God the weather in Salto del Tequendama is not so cold, and it's hoping to have sunnier temperatures later on. Actually, the temperature in Salto del Tequendama is of 14 grade centigrades, but unfortunately it's presenting many clouds. I hope that this not represent an obstacle for us to enjoying and taking a look at the waterfall and the views it will include. I hope you guys enjoy this adventure, and thank you for choosing Colombia Inside Out Video Vlogs. We have arrived finally to Salto del Tequendama. Unfortunately, the weather is cold and the winds are blocking the view to the waterfall, so I would try to find the most appropriate way that it's possible that you guys appreciate this wonderful and exciting. Okay guys, you can see behind me there's a mountain besides the last year. The views that we are going to see over here are wonderful. They are really exciting, but as I told you, the clouds are blocking the view to the place. So even though, don't you worry that I will try to find one of the places that you can appreciate some food typically from this region. There is arepa, there is empanada, arepa de chocolate over here, and there is also mazorca. So you can appreciate that this place is characteristic because of its food that is really delicious. Behind me there is a lady cooking some morcilla rellena and other stuff that is really cool and exciting. Okay, let me tell you some details, interesting facts
that might interest you from this place? Well, as I told you, the Salto del Tequendama, it's a natural fall located obviously in Colombia, municipality of Suacha in the department of Cundinamarca. This region is very famous due to the fact that it produces a lot of food like bread, different vegetables that we usually eat daily. We are about 30 kilometers from the southeast of Bogota, and well, also I would like to tell you guys that in the village near this waterfall is called Charquito. It's also characterized by the produce of food and the tourists that come here to this place. Well, talking about some history, in 1835 a hydroelectric was opened near this place in the village that I told before, that was Charquito, that its purpose was to contribute to the control of water in this place. And this is the hotel that you can appreciate behind me. I will make a better view later on. It was opened in 1928 approximately, and it was very famous due to the fact of this awesome view that you can guys appreciate behind me. Different famous people came here and spend their vacations and all that, but unfortunately things will change like 40 years later on. The terrible, horrific levels of contamination make that the river contaminates completely. It's also a one cause of the Bogota river contamination, and exactly in 1940 the hotel was abandoned. So since that place, as you can see, I will make a better, as you can see there is the hotel. I would like to take a better view to it, but unfortunately it is blocked. As you can see, there's a block that doesn't let us see it. So since that date the hotel was abandoned. Different organizations all over the world, and the country are trying to recover this place, but it has been difficult due to the fact that this place is very unstable, so it is difficult to make this again. I would like to appreciate Salto del Tequendama in a better view, but unfortunately.
Not only in this section was I scared, but also so excited to appreciate such a horrific place like that. I felt a shiver running all over my body, even though my curiosity levels were so high that I wanted to know what happened inside that hotel. There was a voice telling me, please stop. Remember that curiosity killed the cat, but it didn't care at all. It didn't matter the trouble in which I would get into. The objective is to record as much as I can to avoid making a long story short. Millions of emotions joined together. It was tremendous. Feel that sense of fear but excitement at the same time. Unfortunately, there was a blockage that prevented us entering that scary place.
To make a long story short, so I would like you to appreciate more the waterfall behind me. I told you the weather kind of strange because sometimes it appears today, sometimes the clouds disappear and look now come again, so it's difficult. Well, talking about more this waterfall, as I told you, its history is based on the native people which used to live here approximately in 150 before the conquest of the Spanish people. It was created by Bochica, a god that native people believe in, that separate the floods that were in this place. It's the fact that people in that time were really bad. They make horrific actions that make that god get angry with them, so it makes that the entire place get flood full of water, and it was terrible. People were losing their houses, the food, animals. Well, it was a holy disaster. So Bochica used to come here and with magic disappear these floats and create this at the Tequendama. Okay guys, I would like to thank you. I would like to thank my professor, Leonardo, for this awesome project inside out Colombia video blogs that we are making in 9th grade. Actions takes tango, so without his help making the ideas and all of that, this would be possible. Thank you very much.